Okay, in this video we're going to move the account lync.test at polycom-mslab02.com, as you can see over here, and I'm going to move this user from an on-premises link pool to an online pool. So let's start off and authenticate with my online tenancy. I'm just going to put in this PowerShell command. Okay, and then I'm going to run my move CS user commandlet, and I'm moving the account here lync.test at polycom-mslab02.com to my tenancy, and I obtained the tenancy URL or the hosted migration override URL earlier, and you can refer to my blog post on how to retrieve that URL. So let's run that, click yes to move the account, and what's going to happen is my Lync client should sign out and then sign back in online. So let's go over here, look at my Lync client. Lync client is now signed out, so the account is now in the process of being moved and migrated. And about 2 or 3 minutes later, the Lync account, or the Lync client, has signed back in. And if we look at the configuration information down here, we can now see that the pool has changed from pool 01.polycom-mslab02.local to the new pool, which is down here, which is SIP pool B20A06. Of course, the exchange mailbox is still on premises, so it's still connected to my on-premises exchange server. If we go to the Lync server and we run a get CS user, we can also validate on the server that the account is moved, and we can see sipfed.online.lync.com being the hosting provider for that account. And if I do another search here in the control panel, you can see now it says that it's homed on Lync Online. So now we've moved the account, let's perform the reverse and move the account back to my on-premises Lync server. So I'm going to put effectively the reverse of my previous command, and again I'm going to use the same account. It's going to ask me to authenticate because I didn't put in the authentication command. And then it's going to prompt me and ask me if I want to move. I'm going to say yes. And once I've accepted that, and I go back to my Lync client should proceed to sign out as it did previously, and the account's going to be migrated. And about 2 to 3 minutes later, we can see our Lync client is now signed back in. And if we look at the configuration info once more, we can see we're back connected to our on-premises Lync server, the sip.polycom-mslab02.com, and then our EWS is still connected to the on-premises server. So it's that easy. And again, we can go back to the server and we can run another get user, and we can see our account is now back on our on-premises pool. And if I do another find here, it's homed back on my on-premises pool. So that's how easy it is to move an account from on-premises Lync to online Lync and back from online to on-premises using a split domain configuration.